Why local SEO is critical for small businesses. My name is Kevin from your online visibility agency, and in today's video, we're going to look at why local SEO is an absolute must for a small business, especially a trades business. If you're looking to go out and serve your local community, but it goes out to a much wider thing. You might have a coffee shop, you might have a martial arts school, you might have a dance school. There could be hundreds of different types of businesses that you want to attract your local audience in. And I'm going to give you three things here that you can look at that will really enhance your profile online, that's going to get you going. So location-based keywords. I've talked a lot in previous videos about keywords, key phrases, but looking to get optimized in the near me searches. You can't use near me as a keyword. It doesn't work. But for example, if people have their location tracking on and they go, right, I want a restaurant, Indian restaurant near me, it will pick up where you are. It might pick you up in Romford, and then it will go off and it will look for all of the Indian restaurants that are optimized for Romford. So that's why you need to add the location in for where you're serving. It might be a garage. You might be out there trying to promote a local garage, a small business that serves your local community. So you might have a garage based in Romford, Essex. You might have a garage services in Hornchurch, etc. You can tell I'm from Essex. So local location-based keywords are absolutely critical, and to know how to put those in correctly, then you need to drop me a message and I'll help you out with that. Google My Business Profile, as it was, Google Business Profile, whatever they decide to call it these days. You get on the map, you get indexed. It's a free resource for you to be able to build a profile on there that connects through to your website, that connects through to the services that you offer. You can have products in there, services in there, updates on there. You can do a whole ton of stuff. Most companies don't. And more importantly, you can get reviews on there as well. So reviews are the king of the kingdom, and that's what you want to be doing. And local backlinks, looking for gaining local backlinks from directories that will improve your SEO. That's a really critical one. Citations, you may have heard and referred to in the past, but they're really important. The more local based profiles you have set up on local search directories in Yelp, or whether it's a news site, whatever it is that's linking back to you as a location, the better it's going to be. Lots of people, if they've got restaurants and hotels, they're using things like TripAdvisor for exactly that reason. So when they go and they search, it comes up TripAdvisor where your location is, or they're going, I need a hotel to stay tonight, and it's picked up where their location is. It'll just do it on the map and it'll go, look at these. They've told us they're in your area. Awesome, you're there. So it's really, really critical you start to appreciate and understand just how important local SEO is. And it doesn't have to be rocket science to get this stuff done. I know lots of people want to make it sound really, really complicated. You can overdo this stuff and you can try and be so clever with it that it just doesn't work. Just think like someone searching for your business. If you were looking, when you go to Google and you type stuff in, how do you type stuff in? Right, forget about all the training. How do you type stuff in? Because most people will think like you, right, when they're looking for something. Might not be rational, might not be the right technical phrase for it, but that's what they're going to type. But what most people know is where they're based and what area they're looking for it. It might be it's a big town, so it could be Nottingham, for instance, which is a big area. There's suburbs of that, etc., etc. But they'll have an idea of where they are, and if they're brave, they'll have their location on, so the search engines can actually see where they are and match up the results based on where you as the business owner have told them your service area radiates out to. So think carefully about that. It's a really good one to get involved in. Hopefully that's give you some food for thought, and I'm always here for you. If you need any help, support, guidance, or anything else, drop me a DM and I'll very happily give you a little bit of my time to help you out. Thanks, everyone. See you on the next video.